Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to calculate if two strings which are passed as an input are anagram of each other or not. Now what do you mean by anagram? Let's say you are passing first argument as ABCD and second argument as DBCA. Okay, so basically both of the strings contain the same character and has the same size. Okay, but they are not in the same order, right? So this kind of strings are called anagrams of each other. Okay, that's what we are going to calculate in this one. Now there are multiple ways to do it. You can do it using sorting. You can perform the same logic using hash set, and you can do the same logic using histogramming as well. So we are going to implement using all three methods. Okay, now first we are going to check if two strings are anagram of each other using sorting. So how do we do that? Okay, let's pass a b c d here. Let me uncomment this. Okay, a b c d, and what second argument let me pass as d b c a. Okay, perfect. Let me create that method. It is supposed to return boolean. Yes, that is correct. String 1 str1. I'm taking str2. I know they are not that much meaningful, but they make sense as long as this program is considered. Okay, so let me know what you're supposed to do. Okay, let's create two character arrays. Okay, char array first arr is equal to str1 dot to char array second arr is equal to str2 dot to character array. Now what, let's sort these two arrays dot sort. Actually we can do this whole logic in one line also. Let me write the line separately, then we'll convert this whole logic into a one liner code. Okay, arrays dot sort first array, and then arrays dot sort second array. Okay, now all we are supposed to do, we are supposed to check arrays dot equals first arr comma second arr. That means check if these two arrays are equal or not. Okay, we have taken both of the strings, we have converted both of them to a character array. We used a library method. Although you can implement the sorting logic by yourself, you are more than welcome to do that. We are going to implement all this by ourselves, by the way. Okay, in our sorting playlist. Okay, not now, after this one. So internally it uses some double pivot quick sort or something. Okay, let's not worry about that for now. What we are doing here, we have converted both of them to a character array. We are sorting them. Right? Then we are checking for their equality. If both of them are equal, then we are returning true. For us, that means they are anagram of each other. Now we are done writing the logic. Let's try running it and see if we are able to get our required answer. We are getting true. That means these two strings are anagram of each other. And in case of D, let's write X. And now let's try running it. We are supposed to get false because these two are not anagrams, and we are getting false. So using sorting, you've seen, right? The logic was very simple. Now in next video, we are going to check if two strings are anagram or not, but using hash set. That's also going to be very interesting. So that's all as part of this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.